Hey guys, what's up? I am back with another unboxing video. So in this video I have the all new Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, and guys, and this is a mid-range phone from Xiaomi, and this phone is costing around 75,000 PKR in the Pakistan market. So in this price range we have 8 GB of RAM with a 256 GB of internal storage, and the color I have is the Onyx black color. This phone is made in China, not manufactured in Pakistan, which is a really disappointing thing. This phone also has the high-res audio support. On the back we have nothing. So without any wasting time, let's quickly unbox the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s. Now first let me remove the plastic, and this phone also available in the blue color, but right now I have the black color. So now let's open this box. So on the top we are getting our mini box. So let's see what else we get inside this mini box. So here is our SIM ejection tool, and here is a quick start guide as well as a safety information and a warranty card. Also we have our case, which is a soft silicone case, looks like. Yes, it is. This is a soft silicone case. And guys, here is our device, Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s, as you can see again, and these are the main highlighting feature. And this phone has a 108 megapixel main camera on the back. On the front we have a smooth 90Hz AMOLED display with a dual speakers. That's a good thing. We have 33-watt fast charging and a 5000 mAh battery size. This phone is powered by MediaTek Helio G96 SoC with 8 GB of RAM, of course. Now let's start the phone from this plastic. As you can see here, it's Onyx black color. I gotta say, this one has a glossy finish on the back. The back it is a fingerprint magnet, and the back is made up of plastic as well as the frame of this phone. And the back also it is a little curved, so you can hold this phone very comfortably. So now let's quickly boot this phone up. On the front we also have a screen protector which is already installed. So let's see what else we get other than the phone. So here is our charger, guys, and this is a 33-watt fast charger. It is our cable, and which is a USB-C to USB-A cable. So no hand-free inside the box, but nice to see we are getting a charger in the box, which is also a really rare thing these days. So now let's put all these things to the side. Now let's look at the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s. And guys, now let's see the physical review of this phone. So on the bottom we have our USB-C with a speaker grill and the main microphone. So on this side we have our SIM tray. So now let's look at the SIM tray on this phone. We should see a triple slot, I hope. Yes, it is. So you can use one micro SD card with 2 nano SIMs at the same time. It is a full SIM slot. We also have a rubber gasket. On the top we have our headphone jack, another speaker, air blaster, as well as a noise cancellation microphone. So on this side we have volume up and volume down rocker, as well as a power on button, in which we also have a fingerprint scanner. Again, on the back we have 108 megapixel main camera with 8 megapixel ultra wide and a 2 megapixel macro. The back is made up of plastic. Again, we have a glossy finish. Also the camera layout, it is remind me of the Xiaomi 11T. On the front we have 6.4 inch Full HD Plus AMOLED with 90Hz refresh rate. Also we have a center punch hole on the top, and the bottom chain it is also really average on this phone, not the biggest. So now let's quickly set up this phone up and then we will continue. And guys, here is the first boot of the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s. And guys, in the first impression about the display quality, this phone has a AMOLED display. So here is some max brightness on this phone. So the display looks really bright, and here is the notification panel looks like. We don't have any NFC on this phone. Now let's go to the settings, and now let's go about phone. So this phone is running on Android 13. Also we have MIUI version 14. Also we have a 256 GB of internal storage out of 230 GB. It is available for you guys. And now let's see the fingerprint scanner. This phone has a fingerprint scanner inside the power button, as you can see, and the fingerprint scanner it works absolutely fast, and the refresh rate it is not enabled. So now let's go to the display. So you can see on default it is on 60 Hz. Now let's go 90 Hz. And also look at the camera, and this one has a triple cameras on the back. We have 108 megapixel main camera, we have 8 megapixel ultra wide with a 2 megapixel macro. So here's the camera UI looks like. So here is your normal, and here is your ultra wide. The cameras looks really nice, and the back camera maximum shoot full HD at 30 fps. We don't have a 4K support. We also have a macro video mode which uses a 2 megapixel macro lens on the back, and here is the document mode. And here is the Pro mode, portrait mode, super night mode also available. The main camera, so here is the mode section. Here is our 108 megapixel. We also have a panorama, we also have a slow motion. Now let's look at the front facing camera. This phone has a 16 megapixel selfie camera. So you can see in the selfie camera it also looks really decent. I would say much better as compared to the Redmi Note 12. And the front camera also shoots full HD at 30 fps. It's the portrait mode. Night mode not available with the front facing camera, as well as a slow motion. And guys, now let's talk about the battery size. And this phone has a 5000 mAh battery size with a 33W fast charging, and combined with a MediaTek Helio G96, this phone should give you at least 1.5 days of battery life on light use without any problem. So overall, I have to say that this phone is looking really good in this price range. Yes, I definitely recommend the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s because this phone has a great performance as well as a great cameras. So that's about it, and thank you so much for watching this unboxing and the first impression regarding the Xiaomi Redmi Note 12s. So do let me know your thoughts in the comment section below, and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this, and follow me on Instagram as well as on X, and I will see you in my next video. Peace out.